Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku. It's the first one of the additional, because this is an additional of this newspaper, and in this additional of this newspaper of Monday, May the 18th 2020, we have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So we will start first with the Sudoku with 1 star in this additional. So let's get started. Alright. I place or position the camera otherwise I've made a big mistake. I think on Saturday or Friday I recorded, but I have not moved the camera, so stupid from me. So alright, let's get started with the first Sudoku. I see here 9 in this row, a 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 9. I need more digits to solve. So let's wait. How about the number? Can I do something with the 4? Yes, the 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. In this column, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third column, we have a 4 over there. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for a 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here a 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let's see. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 5. 1, 6, and a 5. We see here a 1 and a 6, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left, should be the 5, should be here. Here we have the 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 6 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. The 7 and the 1 are missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Now we have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 7. These 3 numbers are the numbers 8, 3, and 6. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Yes. How about these 3 numbers in this big square, the 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I see here the 2 and the 6, so no 2 and the 6 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Here we have the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. That means in this last column also the 2 and the 6. In this column 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 9, no, we have the 9 here. The 8 is missing, and we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 digit left for the 3. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this last row for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be there, 3 goes there. 1 and a 7, 3, 6, 8, 4, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. These 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, I cannot, no, we have a 2 here. The 5 and the 7 are missing in this big square. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. How about the number 5 in this row, 5 in the row above? So in that row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing here. The 6 is missing here. And the 7 is missing in this column. 3 numbers. The 3, the 6, and the 7. I see here the 6 and the 3. So no 6 and the 3 in this box. So the 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. So the 7 is left for this box. The 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in the last column for the number 2. 1 box left for this big square for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left for this column, the third column, the 3 and the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these two numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Then 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third row for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, that's great. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. And I will move this camera to the second Sudoku because last time I forget that and I didn't record the whole Sudoku. It's not in my view that day. So see you later with this one. I will solve the second Sudoku in a minute. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.